The altercation between you and Michael. Michael says, "आपुण तुझ्या बरें चिंता. म्हापसा बऱ्या खातीर झगडया. म्हापसा is the headquarters. I will talk for म्हापसा म्हणटा तो.
That is what he wants to say on the floor of the house is up to him.
बायलान
I
म्हणटा
cannot
तो.
stop it.
Yeah.
I cannot stop it. Yesterday I was sitting there as the deputy speaker of the house. I was not sitting there as Joshua D'Souza MLA. When I am sitting on the chair, he cannot address issues directly to the chair in that manner.
तो तुका दुखयता.
What
तो तुका दुखोवंक सोदता.
काय दुःख लागूंक ना.
ना पण तुका पिन
हांव थंय बसून मेंटेन करतलो हावस. तेजो टायम सोंपलेलो हांवें बेल मारलो. जस्ट लायक हांव सगळ्यांचेर बेल मारलेलें आसा तेजेरूय बेल मारलो.
पण फाटले इतले दीस आमी डिमांड्स पळयत जाल्यार तेजे स्पिचीन म्हापशा आसताच कितें.
कितें आसा वॉट एवर हिज पॉलिटिकल एजेंडा इज.
Is it political agenda?
See, he and I are working together. What his intention only he will be able
No, but working together for what?
for the betterment of all of Bardesh.
तो म्हणटा
not only Maapsa.
म्हापसा म्हणटा सगळो
No, no, I
काव
am
म्हापसा
working
काव
on-
तो म्हणटा
Yeah.
म्हापसा काव जाना आपणाचे.
या कलंगूट असो मजा काढताना अंजुना मजा काढताना अंजुना मजा काढताना शिवोले कॉन्स्टिट्युन्सी मजा काढताना पोरवरी काळजाना सालिगांव कॉन्स्टिट्युन्सी मजा काढताना आमचे सोयरे सगळ्याक आहा आख्खें गोंय मजा काढताना.
सो तू एक शिटकावणी दिता मजेच
So-
तुजे सोयरे सगळ्या खावणा.
माझे सोयरे सगळ्याक आहा अहें ना की फक्त बार्देजान आहा. ते पेडणे आहा पणजे आहा मडगांव आहा सगळे कडेन आहा. आमचे आमकां आख्खें गोंय आहा ते काळजाना. आमी काम करतले आख्खे गोंया खातीर.
सो तो म्हापसा येतलो तू कालांगूट वयतलो
तो हें काय ना रे.
काव जावन तुज्या.
तो हें काय ना रे. अरे तुमी प्रश्न घालतना तुमी सारके घालूंक जाय.
No, but because every now and then, Joshua, see, Maapsa कितें म्हापसा.
he is not interested in taking the issues of Kalangut also जायते issues are. Maybe he is not interested.
No,
I don't know that you
he
are.
says let us work together. I am working for you. हांव तुका लागून उलयला म्हणटा तो.
We are all working together for the betterment of Bardesh.
पण फाल्यां मागीर लोक कितें म्हणटले लोकांक दिसचेना बाबा जोशवा कितें हो उलयता.
I am restricted to speak because of my position.
Correct.
You all also
Otherwise,
all know
otherwise,
that.
otherwise,
you all
madam.
also- you all know that I cannot sit on top and
Yeah.
give directions. It is not within the rules of the legislative assembly. We are bound by the rules. I am bound by my position.
Too much politics connected with Maapsa.
We are restricted with regards to speak. I cannot put any calling attention. I cannot put any आमचे zero hour mention. I cannot ask any questions. So म्हाका प्रश्न I cannot question the government on.
मायकलाकूय म्हापशेचो मोग आहा.
मायकलाक कोणाचो मोग आहा तें म्हाका खबर ना. ते तूं तेका विचार. हो मोग आहा तो.